So in your journals, I want you to go ahead and draw your triangle for your formula for YKX. Y talks about the total distance. This is the amount. It's usually the amount of time. And this, when you're solving for this, it's because you're looking for one item per item. So if you're looking for Y, put your finger over, you multiply these two. If you're looking for X, you divide these two. But typically, all for this practice page that we're going to do here, you're more than likely going to be dividing because they're asking for per. So let's look at the first one. The first one says, Judy walks 16.8 miles in 3 hours. So I have my first, Judy walks 16.8 miles. So with my triangle, I know that Y is total distance. Judy walked for 16.8 miles. X is always time, and time is 3 hours. How many miles does she walk per hour? That means you're looking for each hour. You're looking for 1 hour. What does she walk per 1 hour? So I'm looking for K. That means I'm dividing these two. So that would be this. 16.8 divided by 3. And IDO calculators, you plug it in just how you see it. 16 goes in the house, 3 comes outside the house. 3 can go into 1, but 3 can go into 16. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 5. Decimal straight up. 5.6. 5.6 miles each hour. Let's try the next one. During the tournament, Thomas scored 96 points in the 6 games of basketball he played. How many points did Thomas score per game? Per game, that means you're looking for K. What is that each one? What is that per? So what was the total happening here? The total was Y, and that was that he scored 96 points. In what amount? Well, in 6 games. If you're looking for K, you're dividing these two. So you're looking for that per. So 96 goes in the house, 6 comes out, that's 1. That's 16 points per game. Now go ahead and solve the rest. The rest are the exact same thing. You're going to use the equation, your triangle Y, KX. School band is selling this. I want you to remember that price is always Y, and that's always on top if you ever get stuck. And time is always X, always, always. 32 ounces of rice, it costs this. Hey, this is your price, that's your Y. This is your Y. At a paint store, 5 gallons of bucket costs this. Hey, they're looking for that 1 gallon. You're looking for K. Andrew filled his 174-gallon pool with water in 12 hours. That's your X. How much is it per hour? You're looking for K. Again, there's minutes. Turn to the back. Hey, there's price, there's hours. You already know how to fill that in with your K equals Y over X. Every time you're looking for per hour. Find, hey, there's price, there's price, there's price. So you can go ahead and solve all these with this equation.